Hello children, in this video we will learn how to solve simultaneous linear equations by substitution method. Okay, so now here you have got two equations. Okay, 7 minus 4x by 3 equals to y, 2x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, the two linear equations in two variables. Okay, x, y both are given in the two equations. So how to solve this? First of all, let us convert whatever the equations are given. No, you have to check whether they are in the form of a journal form of simultaneous linear equation or not. Okay, what is the journal form? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Okay, in that form you have to convert first of all. So how you will convert? First, 7 minus 4x by 3 equals to y. So this is the denominator given, so let us just cross multiply it. So 7 minus 4x equals to 3 into y will be 3y. Okay, so now after this, let us write this x first, then y, then constant. Okay, like that only we will write, because a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. That is the general form of simultaneous linear equations. Okay, so here let us first write 4x. So minus 4x, then this 3y, when it comes to the left hand side it will become minus 3y, then equals to this 7. Again when it comes to the right hand side it will become minus 7. Okay, so let us name this as equation 1. So here this we will name it as equation 1. Now let us check for this equation. So here 2x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. So here you don't have to do anything, just this plus 1 we will transpose to the right hand side. So 2x plus 3y equals to minus 1. Okay, so let us name this as equation 2. So now what you will do in the substitution method, how you will find the values of x and y. Here you see you have got two equations. Okay, from the two equations you can select any one equation of your choice. Okay, either this one or that one, whatever you feel doing easy, that you can do it. So after selecting any one equation, you have to express either x or y. Like if I am taking x value, then we have to express that x in terms of y. Anyhow you will get the y only on the right hand side. So in that way you have to do. Now out of first and second equation, let me select second equation, because I'm feeling this one is a little bit easy while calculation. So here from this equation 2, I'm just expressing x value. Okay, so here 2x I'll write over here only, then after 2x this minus 1, then this plus 3y will become minus 3y. Okay, when it transposed to the right hand side. Now 2x equals to minus 1 minus 3y. Now you want x value. Okay, so x equals to minus 1 minus 3y. Okay, so now x equals to minus 1 minus 3y, then this 2 which is in multiplication, when it comes to this side it will be in division. So minus 1 minus 3y by 2. Okay, so this is what you got x. Okay, so this is, we will name it as equation 3. Okay, so now this equation 3, let us substitute this equation 3 in equation 1. Okay, from equation 2 you have got the equation 3. So now let us substitute this equation 3, let us substitute this x value in equation 2. Okay, so what is your equation 2? It is nothing but minus 4x minus 3y equals to minus 7. Okay, so now you just have to substitute x value. What x value we have just expressed? No, x value in terms of y we have expressed, that you have to substitute. So minus 4 into what is x just now we have find, that is nothing but minus 1 minus 3y divided by 2. Okay, so now after this here minus 3y as it is equals to minus 7. Okay, now after that 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Whatever is possible you can just cancel denominator, numerator and everything. Now minus into minus will be plus, 2 1s are 2. Now again minus into minus will be plus, 2 3s are 6y. Then minus 3y as it is equals to minus 7. Now after this This is 2 plus 6y minus 3y. 6y minus 3y. These two are like terms. Let us just do 2 plus 6 minus 3 will be plus 3y equals to minus 7. Okay. Now after this, now let us find the value of 3y. Okay, y value we will find. So 3y we will just keep here only. Then minus 7 minus 2. Okay, so now after this 3y equals to minus 7 minus 2 will be minus 9. Okay, so now after this, now 3y equals to minus 9 you got. 3y equals to minus 9. That means y equals to 9 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So y equals to minus 3. So this is how you got the value of y as minus 3. Now this value of y equals to minus 3 you can substitute in any equation, either 1 or 2 or 3, to find the value of x. Okay, so let me substitute this y equals to minus 3 in equation 3. Okay, so now what equation 3 I got, in that I will substitute. So here x equals to minus 1 minus 3y divided by 2. This is my equation. So let us substitute over here. Minus 1 minus 3 into this y is nothing but minus 3. So divided by 2. So x I'll write over here. Now x equals to minus 1 minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. Okay. So after this, minus 1 plus 9, minus 1 plus 9 will be plus 8. Okay, divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So x equals to 4. So you got the value of x as 4. Okay, so this is how you have to find the values of x by substitution method. Okay, what you are doing, first of all, you are converting the equations into the journal form. Okay, then the next step will be you have to select any one of the equation. Okay, either this or that, any one of the equation you have to select, and after selecting one of the equation you have to express y in terms of x, or you have to express x in terms of y. Okay, from any one of the equation, then substitute that value, whatever value you are expressing, no, that value you have to substitute in the other equation to obtain a linear equation in x. Then you have to solve for x, whatever we have done over here. Okay, so this is how you are doing the substitution method. I hope you understood, guys.